Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Boon Cacti Bottle Cleaning Brush Set. This cacti set looks like an adorable house plant when it's not in use, but actually holds 4 brushes in the planter. The set includes a bottle brush, straw brush, detail brush, and nipple brush, which all tuck away into a draining holder to prevent odors and mold. This fully stocked set includes 4 cacti in different sizes, but you'll never need to worry about needles. The only bristles on these brushes are made out of durable nylon, which is great for getting the goop out of bottles, sippy cups, and breast pump parts. The vase drains water and keeps the brushes together so that it's easy to grab exactly the right one for the job. Keep it clean, ideal for cleaning bottles, sippy cups, and pump parts. Built to last, all brushes have durable nylon bristles. Easy organization, base keeps brushes contained and drains water for easy cleaning. Number 2 in this best bottle brush cleaner list is Munchkin Bristle Bottle Brush. The Munchkin Bristle Bottle Brush features a patented suction cup base, so when scrubbing is done, you simply pop it onto the countertop to keep it upright, fast drying and off of counters. The non-slip handle gives soapy hands a firm grip, and sturdy nylon bristles are tough on dirt, yet gentle on babies' bottles. Since nobody has time for flinging soapy water around the kitchen, we even developed our bristles to reduce the dreaded splashback when it pops out of the bottle opening. We know baby bottles come in all shapes and sizes, so we added a new flexing neck to help get into every bottle with ease. With a small rubber nipple brush that tucks into and emerges from the handle of the larger brush, this bottle brush is a 2-in-1 design. The flexible neck allows the brush to easily move around the bottle, and the non-slip handle makes the process a little easier. When you're done with the brush, use the suction cup on the bottom to prop it up to dry, or toss it into the dishwasher's top rack for a thorough clean. Our third pick is OXO Tot Bottle Brush. This brush has every feature that a bottle brush should have. The brush head is equipped with 2 types of bristles, allowing you to choose between gentle cleaning and scrubbing away layers of film. It also has a flexible neck, which is a must for any good bottle brush. It has a rubberized grip on the end of the brush, so it won't slip out of your hands while you're scrubbing away furiously. It may appeal to mothers because it includes a silicone nipple cleaner, which will keep nipples and breast pump parts free of gunk. Brush fits easily and stand for convenient, upright storage. Stain keeps countertops dry, has a pour spout and comes apart for easy cleaning. Combine soft bristles for gentle cleaning and firm ones for serious scrubbing. Soft, non-slip handle provides a firm grip, even when wet. Flexible neck for easy reach inside contoured bottles. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in our best bottle brush cleaner list is Philips Avent Baby Bottle and Nipple Brush. This versatile brush features a specially curved brush head to clean bottles and a contoured handle tip to clean the inside of nipples. Clean nipples, reach the bottoms of wide neck bottles, and give feeding products a proper cleaning, all with one tool. The soft, yet sturdy bristles are efficient at cleaning without damaging or scratching nipples, bottles, or feeding equipment. With a high density of bristles, the brush effectively extends to those hard-to-reach places. Easily clean and care for your baby's feeding products with a Philips Avent bottle and nipple brush in gender-neutral gray. With a curved brush head, molded handle tip, and durable bristles, the brush effectively cleans bottles, nipples, and feeding equipment without scratching or damaging. A smart solution for cleaning your Philips Avent products, this dishwasher-safe brush can be hung up for easy storage or drying. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Dr. Brown's Baby Bottle Brush. Dr. Brown's Deluxe Boat Brush cleans all sizes of baby bottles. The bristle pattern optimally reaches all corners of bottles and angled bristles eliminate splashback during cleaning. The Dr. Brown's Deluxe Bottle Brush is ergonomic with a soft grip handle, with ridges at the base of the handle specifically designed for cleaning nipples. Store brush near sink with suction cup storage clip. An extra cleaning brush is included. This bottle brush set uses angled nylon bristles to clean bottles and nipples gently but thoroughly. You also get a narrow cleaning brush to get into hard-to-reach spots in bottles, nipples, sippy cup straws, and breast pump parts, in addition to the large dual-sided brush. The brush sits upright with a suction cup handle when not in use. It can also be cleaned in the dishwasher.